Alright, on today's episode of Unboxing, we're unboxing a Clutchmasters twin disc and flywheel combo. In the box, where's the Clutchmasters sticker? OEM Clutchmasters box, so you know it's real. If you order one from us, this is how it'll come in the box, nice and secured. So we're gonna go ahead and open this. So you got a box in a box. Got the part number, what does it say? OH08 H2B-TD7R-S. That is the part number for this. That'll be in the description below. Let's see what this thing looks like. If you like the content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, turn on the notifications. No, I showed you guys a box already, but here's the actual Clutchmasters box. How do we open this? I think this is a flap. Let's find out. Hopefully this is the right side. Alright, we're getting somewhere. Okay. Might help if I remove this. Maybe this side too. So you gotta bend the flaps. I don't know if you guys saw that. You gotta bend the flaps. So in the box you got sticker. Everybody fucks with the stickers. Gotta love the stickers. Need stickers. Mad stickers. Flywheel fastener torque guide. You know what this means, guys? This has the instructions to torque your flywheel bolts and your pressure plate bolts. Dun dun dun. If the fastener is not listed, use the OEM torque specs. If you didn't know, now you know. Some more of this aerospace stuff. Clutch tool. If you never use it, mad important. Goes in the hole, goes like that, centers itself. Check. Getting ahead of myself with the clutch. Brand new throwout bearing. You know, shiny, shiny, just how I fuck with it. And this is how the clutch is wrapped. It's wrapped extra tight. You can't really see it, but you see the disc, you see the flywheel. Let's see how I'm gonna open this. You guys want to see something cool? Almost there. You guys see the metal? So they wrap it like this so the oil doesn't come off, it doesn't get rusty, don't have any weird problems. Holy shit, it's still going. And I said this is cool, right? I'll take back my 5 minutes. If anyone wants back their 5 minutes, check the description below and I'll throw a discount code if you've watched the unwrapping this far. Maybe I can just give it to you at the end of the video. I don't know what this is, but it says do not eat. Probably shouldn't eat it. Woo! Garbage. Alright. Is this bolted down? This is bolted down. Make sure this isn't gonna fall. This is it. See this inside there? 725 series. Original Clutch Masters. It's a very nice machine part. I'm not gonna take out the gear stacks because I don't have the tools, but this is your Clutch Masters 725 twin disc and aluminum flywheel for H2B cars. So if you're using an H series trans, HF, H22, H23, F20B with the B trans, this is your clutch kit. Has to be a hydro B trans. Can't say what works for cable, but for hydro, this is it.